So this is our Airbnb that we'll be staying at for the next month. Let me show you around. So here is the beautiful living room and dining room. Then we have the kitchen, which is massive, so beautiful. Oh, and in Australia they have the laundry rooms in these sort of separate compartments, which is amazing. And it's sort of hidden. Then we have the doorway, we have the spare bedroom, the office space, main bedroom, and then we also have the bathroom, and the toilet is just in there. So we're so excited to be moving in and just getting our bearings here. Today we are heading out after dark and we are going to the Miami Marketta, which has been recommended through various things. We got a leaflet and online, so we're excited. It's supposed to be a what do you call those things, like a street market kind of influence, so we're excited to go see. Oh, there's fresh pasta, calamari, soup, tempura. They have bows. Waffles. They have bubble waffle. They have Mexican, Turkish, barbecue, Korean fried chicken. I think we've decided for Korean. And?
Good.
Yeah?
Sweet though.
What sauce did you get?
The special.
Is it spicy? Nice. Okay. Hi, can I get the beef nachos, please? Nachos with guacamole? Yes, please. That was yours. Oh, great, thank you. We got a s'mores brownie and a passion fruit daiquiri. I'll take a sip first. Sweet. Do you like it? Yeah, it doesn't really taste like rum, does it? Okay, brownie. No? What do you mean only okay? That's gorgeous. We're at the farmer's market today. Oranges! An oliebollen. Are we in Australia? Oh, like they have cake.
No more cake.
More cake. Whoa, they look good. Don't you think? I love this market. So far, it's really nice. Oh my god. Fluffy. You can take the Dutch out of the Netherlands, but you can't take the Netherlands out of the Dutch. Is that the same?
I never heard of it.
It looks pretty good.
Let's hope it is.
Yeah, look. It's really like we never left. And what do we think? Are the Dutch ones better? Or are they the same? I think the saying was you can take the Dutch out of the boy, No, you can take the boy out of the Netherlands, but you can't take the Dutch out of the boy. Something like that. I don't know. I'm paraphrasing. But you know what I mean. Starting the day off the Dutch way. Oh, we're actually at a school, which is where it's housing the farmers market. And it's like pretty cool that you get to see all the classrooms upstairs. It's a really big courtyard, actually. So we're gonna get this?
Guess so.
Okay. Good? Nice. We've just left the farmers market and we are now catching the bus on the way to the surfers competition down at Snapper Rocks. Pretty excited. There in the distance you can see, I believe, Surfers Paradise. Decided to get our feet wet and walk across the beach on the way to Snapper Rocks. Hoping to find the competition because at the moment we're just finding endless undisturbed beach. I think we found it. We found the megaphones, the giant sunbum gorilla? Is it a gorilla? And I think the kids are out there.
2 minutes. 2 minutes remaining. It's got a power battle on the running battle.
Look at them run. Getting a bit hungry, so we are going back to the shore and then we're gonna go see if we can find some snacks. We're now back at home. Verdi got noodles. We're watching Tomorrow When the War Began, the series, and we're just gonna call it a night.